Hey friends, welcome to today's piano tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the song Gray by Why Don't We. This song has a really nice piano part in it, so I thought it would be fun to do a tutorial for it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Josh and I make piano tutorials and other piano type videos here on YouTube. So if you want to see more of those videos in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know in a couple ways. One, by leaving a comment down below, or two, by giving this video a like. That would be great. You can also leave a comment down below if you have another song suggestion for me. All right, here we go. All right, everyone, so this tutorial is going to be a bit of a quicker one. I didn't think it was going to be worth our time to go through every single note that's played in this song because A, I didn't want to learn the entire song. That would take way too long because the piano part is constantly changing. And B, I think it would be a lot more valuable use of our time to focus on the chords that are being played, not the individual notes, because lots of these chords are getting repeated throughout the whole song, but the notes are constantly changing. So you can play these chords for the entire song if you want to, and if you want to match the actual piano part even better, then you can go back and watch the song preview that I played and go back and listen to the song, the rest of it, the parts I didn't get to show in the song preview, and really try to work those out based off of the chords. All right, so there's really only two main chord progressions you'll see. One is going to be used in like the verse, intro, pre-chorus, basically all of these sections except for the chorus, which is going to be our second section. But let's get started with that first section now, the one that's used in the verse and stuff. We're going to get started here on our first chord, a D major chord. And that's going to be D's in the left hand, A, D, and F sharp. Our second chord here, an E minor chord, E's in the left hand, B, E, and G. And then a B minor chord, B's in the left hand, B, D, and F sharp here in the right hand. Next up, G major, G, D, G and B, another D chord, D's here again, and then F sharp, A and D, voiced a little differently this time. And lastly, an A chord, A's in the left hand, E, A, and C sharp. So those 6 chords are just going to be repeated throughout all the main sections of the song except for the chorus, you'll see. If I play those in time, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get that down, you can begin to start to play the sections like the verse, the intro, the pre-chorus, etc. So those voicings that I just showed you are pretty much going to be what you're playing for the verse. You see, it's those voicings, just add a little piano part here. And it's really just those same chords. Now, if you were to play these in the intro, it's going to sound a little different, but it's the same chords. D, E minor, and B minor, G, D, and an A. Even in this pre-chorus section, or the later part of the verse, I don't know how they call it, but even in that section, it's just the same basic chords, but now we're just bringing in a lot more notes, bringing in some arpeggios into the left hand, and we get something that sounds like this. We start on our D chord, E minor chord, B minor, G, D, and A again, and those same chords again. All right, so that's going to be the first section you need to know. Now the chorus has a few more chords than the verse did, so it's going to take a little bit more time to learn. But once you get it down, it's pretty fun to play, so yeah, let's get started. We're going to start with an E minor chord, so we'll have E's in the left hand, B, E, and G in the right hand. Now an A over C sharp chord, C sharp's in the left hand, C sharp, E, and A in the right hand. And then we go to a D major chord, D's in the left hand, D, F sharp, A. This here is actually going to be an F sharp minor 7 chord, so You can play it kind of like this with like a C sharp in the bass if you wanted to, or you might like it more like this, playing the F sharps in the bass. So like this is F sharp, A, C sharp, E is our 7th here in the F sharp minor 7 chord, and then A. And then a B minor chord, B, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, B. So then all those chords get repeated a second time. I'll just go through those again. E minor, A over C sharp, D, F sharp minor 7, and B minor. Then, now we're going to change chords here. We're going to start here on a G chord. G's in the left hand, D, G, and B in the right hand. Go up to an A. A's in the left hand, E, A, C sharp. A D chord now, D's, F sharp, A, and D. Go down to an F sharp minor 7 again. Something like this. Or if you want to go down to F sharps in the left hand, you can do that as well. And then have F sharp, A, and C sharp here in the right hand. Back to a B minor chord. B's, D, F sharp, and D. And you see kind of here we're walking down, so like D, F sharp minor 7, but you can play a C sharp, B minor, and then we could keep walking down to an A now, so A in the left hand, C, A, or E, A, and C sharp, and then G, G, D, G, and B. A G minor now, just drop our B to a B flat, and then end on the D chord. All right, I know that was a lot of chords, so I'm gonna go through those one more time slowly, but this time it's gonna be in time so you can begin to learn the rhythm. It's gonna sound like this. E minor, A over C sharp, D, F sharp minor 7, and B minor. Repeat. Now onto the G chord and A, and now we begin our walk down. D, F sharp minor 7, B minor, A, and G. And then lastly G minor, and finish with D. And there you go. That's all the chords for the chorus. If you want to match more of the exact notes from the piano part, go back and watch the song preview I played at the start, and go back and listen to the song because that's really going to help you develop your ear so that you're going to be able to play more of this by ear. But yeah, once you have those two sections down, the verse part and then the chorus part, you just need to listen to the song and figure out where each of them goes, then you place them in and just play along with the song. Anyways, I hope that tutorial helped you out a bit. I know it was a bit of a quicker one, but if you have any questions, I'd be happy to try to answer those down in the comments. All right, everyone, that is the end of today's piano tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial of Gray by Why Don't We? Remember to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and to leave a comment down below letting me you enjoyed it or letting me know what other songs you want to hear in the future. Also, subscribe if you want to see more videos. All right, that's all for this time. I hope you have an awesome day. See ya.